Number 1. Number 2.
The Flowmaster hose reel features a 65-foot hose with stopper guide to prevent overlapping. Along with its convenient carry case, the unit makes winding a hose or having them tangled on the ground no longer an issue. The Flowmaster hose reel can be mounted on a wall or a post according to instructions. Simply connect the reel to the mounting bracket by aligning the holes and inserting the metal pin. Once mounted, the hose reel can swivel 180 degrees. To use this unit, simply screw the hose connection into the spigot, connect the nozzle, then turn the spigot on. When using the hose, pull it out to the desired length and it will lock in place. Once finished, tug on the hose and it will retract back. The nozzle has 8 spray patterns which include triangle, jet stream, mist, soaker, flat fan, center, shower, and cone. To store the unit, turn the water off at the spigot, remove the hose connection from the spigot, then pull the pin out and carry your unit to storage.
Number 3.
Thank you for purchasing the Grow Green expandable hose. Today, we'd like to take a look at some of its features. Our hose actually expands up to 3 times its size when water is turned on, and then retracts back to its original size when the water is turned off. In addition to that, it's very, very lightweight, which makes it a pleasure to use. The hose comes in 2 colors. You can select either the green hose or the black hose. In order for you to enjoy the Grow Green hose to the most, there are a few simple instructions that you need to follow. So please review them carefully before using your new hose. Before first use, make sure that the rubber washer fits securely inside the female coupling. This will prevent leaking. Attach the female end to the water source. Turn the on-off valve to the off position. Turn the water on at the source. Gradually increase the water pressure. Your hose will expand automatically up to 3 times its size. We would recommend you first fill and extend the hose, thereby stretching it to release tightness in the outer folded material. After that, release the water and fill for normal use. When the hose is fully expanded, turn the on-off valve to the on position. You can now enjoy your Grow Green hose like an ordinary hose. When finished, turn the water off at the source spigot. Allow the water to drain by turning the on-off valve to the on position. If you're using a nozzle, then open the nozzle. As the water begins to drain, the hose will automatically contract back to its normal size. And it's important to note that this hose is intended for routine watering application. Do not run hot water in this hose. Do not leave the water on and the hose under pressure when it's not in use. Drain your hose in the summer when it's not in use and keep it as shaded as much as possible. Protect your hose from harsh winter weather by storing it indoors. Be sure to drain the hose completely before storage, as water remaining in the hose may freeze and damage it. Here's some important instructions when using your expandable hose with a sprinkler. Position the on-off valve at the end of the hose to be set to off. Turn the water on at the water source, and your Grow Green hose will expand to its maximum length. We would recommend you first fill and extend the hose, thereby stretching it to release tightness in the outer folded material. After that, release water and fill for normal use. Attach your sprinkler to the on-off valve. Place your sprinkler in the desired area. Point the sprinkler nozzle away from you, turn the on-off valve to the on position, and walk away. Your sprinkler will work the same way it does with an ordinary hose. And please note, if you're using a sprinkler that is not attached to the ground, such as an oscillating sprinkler, when turning the water off, your sprinkler might be dragged a short distance as the hose will contract back to its original size. This should not harm your hose or sprinkler.